Hi there, students. Ingenuous and disingenuous. Ingenuously, disingenuously. Ingenuousness, the noun. Disingenuousness. Okay, let's see. Ingenuous means naive, trusting, simple, childlike. Don't confuse it with ingenious, very clever. Okay, so ingenuous, simple, naive. Don't be fooled by his ingenuous smile. He is being disingenuous. Disingenuous is the opposite. Disingenuous means pretending to be innocent, insincere, dishonest, or pretending to know less than you really do. Okay, so if you pretend that you know less than you really do, maybe you can get a lot of information, but you are tricking people. So ingenuous, childlike simplicity. His plan is ingenuous. It does not take into account the realities of life, the way things really work. It's far too childlike. Disingenuous, pretending to be childlike and simple in order to trick or deceive people. His disingenuous excuse tricked almost everybody, and they believed it. So his excuse pretended that he was naive and simple and had made a mistake. But the reality was much deeper than that. I am not so ingenuous as to believe everything he says. His disingenuous claims of innocence anger me. He's pretending to be as innocent as a newborn lamb. He's being disingenuous. He's pretending to be ingenuous. So, ingenuous, simple, innocent, unsophisticated, unworldly, frank, honest, forthright. And then on the opposite side, disingenuous, dishonest, cunning, sly, two-faced, shifty, insincere, duplicitous, devious, underhand. So let's try a few examples. She looked at me with childlike ingenuousness. So she really was innocent. He is much too ingenuous to be a lawyer. Lawyers need to be tricky. They need to hide things. They need to understand things, not in a naive, childlike way. He ingenuously told the police everything that happened, and then they arrested him. So he told the truth, the whole truth, and that got him into trouble for being ingenuous. Okay? And his glamorous arguments were in fact disingenuous. So this is the opposite. His arguments were disingenuous because they were designed to cause problems. So he asked innocent questions with the idea of causing trouble between the two groups. That's disingenuous. His disingenuous statements clearly show his hypocrisy. Or being disingenuous is the trademark of the politician. Yeah, you can't be innocent in politics. You can pretend to be innocent, but not be it really. So ingenuous, we normally use it to talk about people, attitudes, plans. And disingenuous, a disingenuous attempt, a disingenuous argument, a disingenuous statement, conduct, people, an excuse, a question, or even an assertion. So ingenuous, naive, childlike and innocent. Disingenuous, pretending to be childlike, naive and innocent, but not. So next question, what about formality? I'd probably give these words probably a 7.5 in formality. You can't use these words in an informal conversation in the pub. I think there you might use the words naive and simple, and then pretending to be naive, pretending to be simple. And then what about the origin? Well, there's a Latin word, ingenuous, meaning of noble character, frank and direct, free-born, and then disingenuous, not of noble character, not honourable. Okay, so ingenuous, disingenuous, childlike and open, or just pretending. And it's very important to spot the difference between people who are ingenuous and people who are disingenuous. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ingenuous and disingenuous.